Hello everybody, my name is Valentina and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and sometimes skincare. If that's something that can interest you, please consider subscribing. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a makeup look that I think is ideal for school. Many times I go on the bus, I get the tube and I see these girls that are so young and are wearing such a strong makeup that is absolutely unnecessary. I wish I had videos like that when I was younger, because the horrors that I used to do on myself. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start with foundation, which is not a foundation, is a beauty balm. So I'm using the Pixi by Petra beauty balm. Despite being a BB cream, it actually has a very good coverage without having the heaviness of a foundation. If you have more of a problematic skin because you've got acne, I have an acne video up on my channel. I'm gonna leave you the link up here. For eyebrows, I'm using the e.l.f. pencil. It's the ultra precise brow pencil, so you have the spoolie on one side and you have the actual pencil on the other side. When I was in high school, I didn't even know what doing your eyebrows meant. As concealer, I'm using the Instant Anti-Age Eraser multi-use concealer, and this is in the color Light, and this is the Maybelline concealer. I do love this concealer. I did put it in the video for the makeup kit for beginners. I'm setting the under eye. I'm using actually the Primark setting powder, and this one says that it's good for baking as well. I haven't tried it. I don't like baking. I'm not a fan of over concealing. I don't get why people put a ton of concealer under their eyes. It's not necessary. I'm setting my T-zone. This is a step that I'm doing every time. So every time I apply a layer of powder, I apply this one. This is the Nu Skin Moisture Mist, and I do like this mist. I put it in my favorite for the summer as well. This is great for keeping your skin moisturized. The eyes, I'm keeping them super duper simple. The only thing that I'm putting is an eyeshadow stick. This is the Pixi eyeshadow stick in Matte Cognac, and it's called Endless Shade Stick. It's basically gonna be the same color as my eyelid. Super quick. You're not gonna need brushes for this. If you wanna get brushes and you wanna keep it on a budget, I suggest the Real Techniques brushes. I love them. Very easy to clean because they're synthetic and they do dry super quickly as well. Liner, absolutely up to you. If you want to do liner, I do suggest a brown. I think it's more appropriate for a day at school. The pencil that I'm using is the Berry M Kohl pencil. Any brown pencil will do. I'm going super close to the lash line and I'm wiggling it just to thicken up your lash line, and then I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm blending. And I like these Berry M pencils because they're very easy to blend as well. It's not much, but you can see the difference between one eye and the other. Because I just realized that I filmed the whole thing very far, so the other eye I'm gonna do a little bit closer. Very close. I'm basically on the lash line and I'm wiggling the pencil. I'm not going all the way in, and I blend. And then if you see that you need a little bit more, you can always add. But always add slowly, because you're always in time to add, but then trying to wipe off makeup is always a bit of a nightmare. If you want, you can go on your lower lash line as well, but I'm really just gonna focus on this teeny weeny part of outer corner and blend. As bronzer, I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer. This is literally just to give a little bit of dimension to your face, because if you put just the foundation, everything becomes a little bit too dimensional. As blush, I'm using again another Primark product. You have to be very careful when you apply this blush because it's very pigmented. You don't want too much of anything. You want to look as natural as possible. I'm going towards the bronzer, so I'm blending the two colors together. Smile so you hit your apple of the cheek. I'm going again with my moisture mist. It's a super gentle spray, so it's not gonna overload your face with the liquid. I'm going where I apply the blush and the bronzer with my sponge, and I'm blending. I'm using a very subtle highlighter, so I'm using the Benefit What's Up cream highlighter. I'm using a cream highlighter because I think it gives a very natural sheen to the skin. Just a touch on the brow bone. I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. When you're putting it on, make sure you're very careful. I'm really looking down, so I'm not gonna touch my eyelid. If by mistake the mascara goes on your eyelid, don't panic. Wait for it to dry, and then you take a Q-tip and very delicate, you just flick it off. If you're doing it while it's still wet, you're gonna end up smudging black. While I'm waiting for the mascara to dry, I'm gonna put a little bit of lip balm, and that is all I'm doing for the lips. I'm using the new color. This is a Light Shine Lip Plumping Balm. It looks pink, but it's clear on the lips. You have that plumping effect, so it's gonna tingle a little bit. It's definitely bearable. I'm taking my mascara again. This time I'm wiping the wand and I'm going on my lower lash line. So we give a little set. And this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. A very quick, super easy, affordable, and very natural makeup. Even if you're a teenager, you can easily wear it. Adjust the products to what suits you and colors to what suits you. If you're going back to school, good luck with the new year. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, go and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Ring the little notification bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video. I'm bulk filming right now, so you're gonna be able to have a video a week, even in the weeks to come, because plus I have to go back to work as well. Finally, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye.